Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cody with Working That Budget. And I didn't quite, of course, get December finished because I didn't have everything inputted as I should have, and I didn't keep up with videos. So here's to a better January to do that. And I didn't quite look it up. It's 800 something too. I think it's 72. It could be 12. I don't know. Anyways, okay, now we're closer to my good number. Yeah. Oh, and this. So, 571? No. 91. Oh, yeah, 51. Okay. I'm just gonna put this for now, because again, I don't really know how to finish this as the buffer. So 56, 93, 40. And now we'll go to January. This sounds like a lot. It is a lot. Okay, so here's the fun part. Let's see, I really need to redo that too. I'll put 3,000 for now. Mine should be, well, I don't know what mine will be. January is always the discovery. Anyways, okay, so house cleaning. We didn't make an appointment. I'm not sure if I do that. I need to text her and ask her. Interest. We'll just, so far it was $590. Extra family. And I know right now, whoa, I'm gonna go ahead change this while I can. So along with the plumbing, they don't, or he didn't fix the holes that he made, so I had to have another worker to do that. So I'm just gonna put construction. It sounds a lot more complicated than it really is, but anyways, it was 1406. We're gonna say 78 or something like that. I wrote the check, but he has not cleared it yet. And I'm going to take this out of the buffer. So yeah, I shouldn't have did that yet. So 4286, 62. And I'm not even going to do it yet either, because even though he didn't clear the check yet, she went ahead and gave $14.10. Yeah, I don't remember what day. So 32.10. There we go. Back to good numbers. Okay, so 56, 96, 62. And again, I don't know what the real one is. I meant to do that a while ago. But let's fix all the bad. So this should stay the same. This will probably be the same. Let's take this down. Should be good for a while. I put that I'm getting nothing because I got a lot of Christmas money, and so I'm just kind of chilling with it. I could also, I guess, be nice and do that for my food too, but oh well. Electric, what did I say it was? 139.36. Why is it not changing? YouTube, that actually has, or is pending, so that's there. Why does it seem like we left so much? Anyways. So miscellaneous, let's go back down. We're gonna delete this. Let's see how you do that. Yeah. Cool, things are looking up. My tag is due, I think it's like $87.50, if I remember correctly. I don't think we're going to renew this. I'm just going to go ahead and delete it because I can. However, we're going to change it. We did Sam's, but I don't remember what month I did it. Okay, so it shows there's money here because they all have the little piggy beside them. This, until like gas stations and stuff clear, I don't know how much exactly is here or what's been spent. Doctor, I don't even know what I want to put that as. We're just gonna put 200. Oh yeah, well. Oh no, I need to fix this. Dentist, he's got an appointment, I believe, the end of this month for a teeth cleaning. So that one should be free. It'll be the first one of the year. But then he's got an appointment for that crown that he never did, I think. So I don't know. We're gonna say, I guess, 200 for that now. And we'll see how much we need. And Christmas is over. Yeah, these need fixed. But still, I don't know quite how to mess with it. And another thing I also said a while back is that I was going to fix the savings. Let's see if I can, or how I can. The balance at the start of the fund. Right now, there is And after all is said and done, it could be more, I suppose, if we figure out how we do stuff. But 503.68. Is that like gonna refresh? Because that's not remaining. And that's not a carryover balance. See, that's what I mean. I didn't hit save. I think I just cleared out or something. Yeah, see, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. It looks terrible, but it needed to be set right. So anyway, there, that makes it look better, right? I don't think I can fix December. Go back and it's not gonna let me do it to not carry anything over, I don't think. Yeah, save is not done. So okay. So if you add all those three numbers together, well, okay, two different checking accounts and what we had set aside for vacation, what it shows at the moment, and that's I guess what we may go with, is 680508. I think I'm okay with that. Let's take out that for now. If I add it back in, like I said, I don't know. I could just transfer it to savings or somewhere else. That way I'm not worried about it. We'll do 6,083.85. Because that's the numbers that's in there now, but that also is minus the YouTube and I don't know what else exactly. Whatever, technically, I guess, hasn't shown up yet. Well, that made no sense. Anyways, my time is up yet again. Thank you guys for watching, and I need to make reminders to do videos. Friday or Monday, has to be done. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, somewhere by the end of the week or beginning of the week. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.